What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we start a brand new challenge with the Forex Funder. Now, the reason why I'm actually starting this challenge and documenting it is because I've seen a lot of mixed reviews online about this company. Some are great, some are not so great. So I decided, let me just try it for myself. I'm not no big name YouTuber. I don't have an affiliate link. I don't have any incentive to promote this prop firm. I'm just like you guys. So I decided, let me take the challenge for myself, let me document my experience, and hopefully it can help somebody make up their mind as to whether or not this prop firm is good. Just a bit of a background, I'm not no guru or any financial expert. I'm just a regular guy like you guys, and I'm just documenting my experience. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this challenge. What's going on, everybody? Today is day one of the challenge. We are looking to take a trade, and things are a little sketchy for me because we have news in about 40 minutes. But I do see my setup forming, so I'm trying to enter this trade quickly. And one of the challenges of trading with the Forex Funder is the fact that you can't use EAs. You can see my position calculator to the left, and I have to copy those numbers directly into this menu, this order menu, so that I can trade. Oh man, I'm trying to do this quickly. Copy, paste. Okay. Right. Now we just have to, no, I already did that. I have to do my entry. Okay, we gotta paste. Okay. And what's going on here? Paste, there you go. Okay. All right, and my lot size is 26.5, so we're good. So yeah, let's go ahead and place the trade. All right, so we gotta be patient and just wait it out. And the setup that's forming is literally my bread and butter setup. I trade this every single time the same way. It's forming. I think we're about to get tagged in here. Okay, and no matter how many times I do this, I still feel the same way. Okay, it's going the other day. What are the chances that price would come this far right on that line and then just like not tag us out? If it leaves without us, unfortunately, we're gonna have to let it be. As you can see, I'm aiming for like a 1 to 4 because I do know that news is kind of near. I usually go for just 1 to 2s, but again, I'm gonna monitor this because we have news, so I can't be too, I can't let it run too much. I usually have a rule of like, if you've been following the channel, once I execute a trade, that's it. I let it either hit stop loss or take profit. I don't interfere. But today I'm gonna have to monitor and see how it goes because again, we're kind of close to the news time. So let's see. Are we gonna take? Okay, we're tagged in. Okay, like I said, no matter how many times I do this, I feel the same way every time I enter trade. It's like you're getting ready to fight. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. If you guys feel the same way, let me know in the comments below. But they tell us to be cool, calm, collected. It's not for everybody. It's not for everybody. All right, so we're in the trade. And it's going so far. We're in profit, which is good. Let's see here. All right, so this is usually when I walk away. I think I'm gonna just walk away from the trade and kind of come back when things are moving in my favor. Yeah, let me do that. Let me walk away and come back when a little bit before. I'm gonna come back probably before, close to around New York Open, which is 9:30, just in case of anything because I don't want no problem. So I'll be back. So as you can see here, I've drawn a liquidity pool or a fair value gap. Usually the green represents my liquidity pool, but I ain't got time to change it because I'm so focused on the trade. So I just want to make sure everything is going correctly. Let me step away again and just make sure everything is, good. Psychologically wise, I just want to make sure everything is all right. Everything's working. Some people can sit through their trades. Some people cannot. Kind of one of those people who cannot. So it's just easier for me to just let the trades be. If I'm in front of the charts, I might interfere. So It looks like it's going our way so far. Let me just step away. Okay, so I'm back. I can see that there's some volume going on here. So I got to get ready to monitor this. And this is a little challenging for me because usually I can just walk away fully and then come back when I get a notification. But at this time I have to be careful. Trading, man. Trading is something that gets your blood pressure up, man. Right? Because you're watching this and you're like, just hit take profit, bro. I know you want to go up there. Just go. And then it starts doing things like this. One of these days, I'm gonna connect a heart monitor to my to myself so that you guys can see what my levels are like when I'm trading. You just have to be patient. We're cutting it real close because right now we're about half an hour away from news, and price is going the wrong way. Man, this is why I walk away. Can you imagine sitting through all of this every day? It's not good for your heart. Like 20 seconds away from market open. This is crazy. Okay, that's giving me some good vibes. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness. Come on. All right. 3, 2, 1. Market open. Oh my goodness. Okay, great. Okay. I have to get ready. Just in case of anything because I'm going to try and close half my position, let the rest run. So that'll be 13.25. What in the world is going on here? Oh my goodness. Bro, what is going on here? Okay, let me see if I can do close half my position. No? Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? I'm cutting it real close. I think I'm gonna have to. Okay, we're almost at TP. I'm gonna have to get ready to close if anything because this thing is not working. Come on, bro, just hit TP. Oh, nah. Okay, I think I'm gonna consider closing a little early to be on the safe side and let it move up just a little bit more. Come on. Okay, I'm getting out. Oh my gosh. This is why I don't interfere with my trades. Let me see if I can close half. Come on. It's not working. Bro, at this point, I'm just gonna have to manually do this. This is crazy. I'm out. That's it. I can't play around with this. It's 9:32. We have news. I don't even want to get anywhere close to the news time for the account to be considered breached or close to breach. Nothing like that. I don't want no issues. And look at that. As soon as we exit. How crazy is that? Man. You guys, trust me. If you can do this, fine. If you can't, take it from me. When you put your trades in, just walk away. Okay? Under normal circumstances, I would let the trade run. In this case, I have to manually close. We've made a little over 1%, like 1.2% almost, so it's not bad, but could be better, but can't complain. So 1% trade here. So at this point, I'm just gonna walk away. It is what it is. I'm going to kind of just close this here and let it be. All right, so just before we end the video, today we saw our setup, we took our trade. I tried to walk away a couple times, couldn't really do that because we had news coming through soon. But as you can see, I had to break one of my rules that I don't like to, that I never break actually, which is when you execute a trade, let it play out. But because we're cutting it close to news and I needed to get a trade in, this whole week has just been awful. Nothing but news every single day, up and down, up and down. I need kind of something to get started. So this is what we started with. So we're up 1%. And we managed to, kind of execute it and do what we have to do. Broke a rule, unfortunately, but it is what it is. We're up 1%, and this is episode 1. If you guys have enjoyed it so far, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on episode 2 or day 2. Peace.